Today's topic about social media is very important. We always say, it doesn't matter how many likes, it doesn't matter how many followers you have, as long as you love your content and you love what you do. Honestly, if you don't have followers, if you don't have people listening to you, who's going to see how valuable your content is? Today, we're just going to talk about how you can captivate your audience and get them to like your content and eventually like you. Stay with me. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie D. My goal is to help build your self-esteem so that you can create that powerful social media presence. Okay, so tip number 1, you gotta engage. Go out there, go on social media, go through the posts. And if the feed resonates with you, comment, be different. Don't just put a heart, don't just put a yes or a thumbs up. Always go the extra mile. And if it really rings a bell, relate your story, like why it really caught your attention, because you want them to see that, oh, hey, this person is really devoting some time for my content. I want to see what their page is about. And that's when you draw them to your page. So comment, engage, share, post them on your story. I'm particularly talking about Instagram because you can share posts on your story and make sure to tag them, because you know what? They also post you on their story. So it's a good give and take relationship. Number 2. Wit or sense of humor is a gift. Not all of us have that gift. I probably sometimes have some sense of humor, sometimes not. But when you think that that's a little bit funny, go for it. Post something funny or comment something funny. Just remember, don't be sarcastic. And there's a thin line between being sarcastic and being really funny. No dark humor, no black humor, but just plain, clean, funny. Childlike funny, cute funny, but yes, clean funny. 3rd, don't be rude. You know, again, we're talking about thin lines. There is a line between being too vocal and hurtful and offensive and rude and being honest and sincere. So be respectful. As they say, if it's not kind, don't say it. If you have nothing nice to say, don't say anything at all. Being quiet is better than putting it out there and you have offended someone. When you respect others, you also gain respect. However you treat others is a reflection of who you are. Number 4, think of what you have to offer. Think of serving others. You know, you're out there, you're a content creator because you're trying to answer a question, you're trying to solve a problem, you're trying to entertain, you're trying to educate, share your story. There's a reason why people come to you, because somehow you're giving them something that they need. So always have that mentality. The biggest mistake is to go on social media and expect someone to return the favor. Be happy that you like someone else's post and that's it. Move on, because someone else is going to like your post. Always remember that when you post on social media, yes, it's your profile, yes, that's you, but it's not all about you. You may be telling your story, but it's because you want other people to learn from you, to relate, right? So you still are the one that they're looking at because you are delivering the message. You're using your approach, your style, the way you present yourself. But see, you are doing it for them. You are offering a product, a service, or information, or a form of entertainment to someone out there who needs what you're giving. Always keep that in mind. When you have the intention to serve and give, you are setting yourself for happiness and contentment on social media. And remember, if you're happy on social media, that builds your confidence, because I'm all about confidence and self-esteem, especially when you're building your social media presence. You gotta show authority, but you gotta show confidence. If you've gone this far, I hope that it's because you liked my video and you're getting something important. Don't forget to comment. I really value your comment. Share and spread the news. And don't forget to subscribe. And then that way you can watch my next videos and hopefully they will help you as much as this one helped you. And don't forget to visit my website. Sign up for my newsletter. I have an upcoming online course this fall, and it's all about building your self-confidence as you create your social media presence. And it's part of my workshop series, From Purr to Roar. I look forward to seeing you again next week. Until then, enjoy the summer, keep cool, drink lots of water, eat lots of fruit, and always be positive. Bye for now.